Thank you for watching eShipper Weekly. Today we're going to learn how to add names to our address book. Now first of all, you have your ship from, you have your ship to, and there's the option to save address. Once you enter in all this information, instead of going directly to the address book, you can just save it here, and then once you process your shipment, it'll be there for the next time as well. Or you can go to My Account, hit Address Book, add an entry, and then type in all the information that's relevant. So right here I'm going to do Mike's. And as I input this information here, you'll be able to auto-populate this into the ship to at a later point. Now I'm just making up random information here. Have a contact name as well, Mike for Mike's. And then we have Mike at mikesmikes.com. So once all that's done, you can do residential address if you know that's where it's going, and all these other options here. Then you add it. You'll see that it populates in here into your address book. So now when you go to ship, you can click this magnifying glass and you can select your new address and it'll auto-populate everything there. So that'll save you a lot of time if you're sending packages to the same people over and over. Thank you for watching eShipper Weekly. I hope this tip helped you today and hope to see you next week.